Got to take myself away from all these things that's hurting me. I've got to make my...
Yo nation, we're going to boy Adrian back in the building with another episode.
And Lena is here as well. And you don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Stick around and don't forget to put on your post notification bell so you can know when we post right away on the spot.
That is nation. The Chinese mechanic saga becomes a big thing. You see me, I say even Jamaican government get involved because you know a lot of people that complain so them can't get their car fixed, but now Chinese them open a new mechanic shop. It's a long line and people put it on all over social media. So now the government I investigate the matter. You see me, I say cause the yard mechanic them start crying and them thing there. What do you think about that situation, Alina?
Yes, so this mechanic shop is closed for investigation, but the government still seem like them are lenient with them because as I see as per the news, they are going to do as quick as possible so they can get them reopened back. And I hope they do investigation and make sure they are complying with the laws just like anybody else or any other business, because they love make Chinese run Jamaica and Jamaica is not only Chinese.
In regards mechanic shop in Jamaica, based on what we are seeing now, because the Chinese mechanic shop open in Jamaica, I don't really see nothing wrong with those invention or those investment. You know what I mean? Nation, as a youth growing up in Jamaica, I usually see people car take like hours to fix. You have to wait for like a whole day at a mechanic shop. And realistically, Jamaican mechanic them need to do better, you see me? Because by the end of the day, they have a shop and a trade them a work. It can't work like that, you see me? And sometimes them outside alone them a work and them thing there. And them have much mechanic on them and them not teach the youth them a trade, you see me? Them not come together. I teach you them a trade, so they can speed up their work. And as you all can see how the Chinese mechanic them work together, them like all 5 of them over here so upon one car, you see all 6 of them over on the other side upon one car. If the Jamaican mechanic them did that come together, you see me, I say another them thing they from start and buy tools and be honest with people and you know what I mean, and rob people money and them thing there. Jamaican mechanic and Jamaica wouldn't in their problem right now. You see me, because if you can look on a long line down the road where people are come to park up even 3 a.m. me I hear and I see video from in the morning just we can be a front tire line. That's crazy.
Mechanic there in a problem now because guess what? The facility a be a Chinese mechanic. Just look at it. State of the art facility just opened and down a machine and don't come in and look at them. Any iron vehicle wanna have problem but we wanna can't find, just look at it. It's just come out this morning and the man in an engine already. Oil, service parts, and have to kill. New machinery and a lot of them soon come. Any vehicle, as long as they have a 4 or 6 wheel or 10 wheel, you're ready for them. Low end to high end. See there? Everything then sort out. Service parts and rare. Yeah man, they're ready for everything. Any vehicle you have, any problem you can't find. Then do electrical work, mechanical, and while you wait, you're waiting a comfort.
Nation, so you see what I go on in a video. Now Lena, this is it now. Now the government see a video like this and see what I go on and running upon it and say them are investigate. And so my people them are bash the government say yo they know if you do that. And so my people them are say yeah right thing government to do. But what's your take on this?
Yeah, so as I said, government have to look into it because when you're doing business, you have to have legal stuff set in place. You have to be compliant. Obviously, them do good job. Chinese people do good job. We know that. But Jamaica normally gear towards Chinese people more. Enough Chinese place up in Jamaica, but they just need to comply with the laws and regulations. US have laws and regulations and they're strict. Jamaica have to cut down and be strict too, because
like
that's why
work permit and everything.
That's why the country is in the state it in, because it have to have the laws and follow the laws. You can't just go about with business and not follow the laws. You have to follow the laws. That's what make the world work. You have to follow the laws.
So you say government do a good thing basically?
Yes.
Yeah, I think the government do a good thing basically, because by the end of the day tax have to draw from all that money with them make on them thing, you see me, so you can go back to your country. Because by the end of the day, you know, most of them money that you see are going, you don't really go back to Jamaican bank, you go to a different bank, you see me, as you guys can know and see what are going. But nation, This is our next video where the government stepped in and they said they're going to do some investigation. Let's take a listen.
Is aware of the public concern surrounding the employment status of several Chinese nationals reportedly engaged as mechanics in Jamaica. We want to assure the public that a comprehensive investigation is currently underway to determine whether all legal and regulatory requirements, including valid work permits and employment documentation, have been satisfied. As the matter is active, we are unable to speak specifically to the details at this time. However, the ministry is working in full coordination with the relevant agencies to verify the facts and ensure that all applicable laws are upheld. The rights of both foreign workers and Jamaican citizens remain a priority, and any breaches, if found, will be addressed in accordance with the law. We remain committed to transparency, due process, and the protection of our labor market integrity. Updates are going to be provided to the public as soon as the investigation has concluded and the findings are...
Nation, well, you have some people mad and some people don't mad about it, you see me, but for the ones that were mad, you have to understand the tax of a pay said way, you see me, and the one who don't mad about it, or no go and do nothing, you see me, I say. Nation, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment in the box down below. Well, Nation, Kaisinap and Vybz Kartel link up with Spice and Aishana. Vybz Kartel did wanted to see Ray, but Ray wasn't in the building. Let's take a listen.
Here we go. Summertime is here, you know. Feel the dancing now. Summertime in a Kingston. Summertime in a Kingston. Summertime in a country. Summertime in a my city.
One Jamaica. There is the flag.
Listen.
Caribbean, we outside.
So timeless. We're in. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. So timeless. We're in spring right now, right?
Yeah, it's springing.
It don't matter what time you play that song. Yeah, it don't matter.
In the Caribbean, it's always summer.
You got motherfucking December 25th, Christmas. You gonna make it July 26th.
All right.
Bro, that's the...
Nation, you guys can see what's going on. Vybz Kartel and Kaisinap. It's a good look, you know what I mean? I like that for Vybz Kartel. It seems like Vybz Kartel, they're on our whole tour, both show and both interview, because we realized Vybz Kartel been getting interview from like 2-3 months they've been going on interviews and stuff. But I like the marketing that Vybz Kartel depend at this moment, you know what I mean? I don't know a whole lineup that thing here with him and Kaisinap. I don't know if for them it was mutual or some things, but this was a good look for Vybz Kartel, because apparently Vybz Kartel was sitting in front of 100,000 people, him and Kaisinap, you know what I mean? Which Spice was there also, and Aishana, you know what I mean? What do you think about this, Lena, so far?
Yeah, it's a good look for Vybz Kartel, you know, because he always appear on all these interviews and these streams. You know, him get himself out there back. Him come out of jail 13 years in prison. You know, say that's a good look for him, especially Kaisinat. You know, say Kaisinat are one of the top streamer them in our world. So you know how much people have viewed Vybz Kartel. Some of them probably don't know him and them probably say, yeah, man, go check him out, you know. That's how you get more views and coverage. So it's a good look.
Yeah, it's a Nation. Vybz Kartel was asked about Sidem and Shorty, and this is what Vybz Kartel said.
Now in my house, bro. I just bought a new crib and
oh my God,
she's there, man. Yeah, respect. So she's there.
That's,
you know what
fire,
I mean?
bro.
I mean, you know, me and my baby moms, all of us is cool. So big up to them, my fiance. And to me, she's cuter than Beyonce. Oh, is what I'm saying.
See, you see them? It's too easy. It's too easy.
Yeah.
It's like too easy. Like what the fuck?
Big up Shati, big up Sharika, big up Amanda, big up Sophia. Those are my other 4 babies.
Shout out to y'all. No cat. They might watch it right now.
Big up yourself. Of course they are.
Wait, hold on. I always want you to hear this. I always wanted to hear him say this.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to hear you say, oh.
Oh. Yo, look that. Yo.
In the flesh.
Paper. He just said earlier. I heard you said earlier. I was watching outside.
Yes.
You was like, Yo, bro, crazy.
Them islands is crazy.
Legendary.
No cap. My favorite. Hold on, what's your
Respect. I like that.
Okay, but what's your favorite meal?
Yeah.
What's my favorite
From
meal?
Yard, yes.
Red snapper.
Okay.
See it?
Red
Can't lift
snapper
out
with
your
the fish
kid.
with the-
Yeah, you can't lift out the steam
I used
fish.
to go fish with the eyes when I was a kid. I used to go to fish with the eyes, okay.
When you went to Jamaica, you heard
I figure snapper
Red
for
snapper.
Jamaica.
What about
Yeah,
you?
man. I figure snapper.
oxtail, rice and peas.
Winning
What
formula
about
that
you?
again.
Bro,
Winning
it's hard.
formula.
It's too hard. It's too hard.
Oxtail and red rice.
Like some
Winning
days, some
formula.
days you eat the oxtail, it's like, God damn.
Then the curry.
No. Then you get the jerk chicken, it's like, God damn.
Jerk
Bro,
chicken.
I went to Jamaica on the side of the road.
That's the best.
Guys, so that was Kraft performing on the radar freestyling Shine. And guys, so you already know about the 11-year-old Adriana. It's all over the news in Guyana. The father was looking for his daughter. She was missing, guys, for 20 hours. And they had checked the swimming pool. They checked everywhere around the hotel. So basically, she went to the hotel with her grandma for just a day out, and she got missing. Now, the thing is, they found the kid in the pool where they already checked. Now they're saying that it's foul play and the hotel has something to do with it, because if you check, there's additional cases from before 2021, 2024, and now 2025 with same similar things like this.
Yeah.
So very, very, very
Similar
suspicious.
stuff, yeah. Because I remember there was this girl. It was a hotel where she walked into the freezer, according to
Yes.
source, that she walked into the freezer and freeze to death. Which I don't. That was sus. I think someone put her in the freezer and freeze her to death. They said she got jumped. But this one now with this little girl, it's kind of sad though. You know what I mean? All these little kids becoming like getting missing, finding their body on the like lifeless and all that. So just with this one right now, where they're talking about that there wasn't a body in the pool earlier, and then there's a body in the pool. They need to really check those security cameras, you know what I mean? Because that's so, you know what I mean? If there was a body outside there, they would have found out the first thing, you know what I mean? They wouldn't go back and come back and find a body there. It's like someone put it there to make it seem like someone drowned her, right? But I'm just saying, condolences to the family and all that. What do you think about this story, Lena?
Yeah, no, justice seemed like it always come promptly in Guyana, because what happened was this hotel was set ablaze moments after they find this body, and when you see the news, you can clearly see the smoke and stuff in the background. So just comes to show you that some people don't play around and they have a strong community behind them. I feel like Jamaica should have a strong community like that as well. If something happened to our kids, we should all come together, because that was very, very traumatizing, even for the father.
So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean? Until next time, guys, we out.